Happy first birthday, Anaisha. I still cannot believe that it's been a year since you're born, and you gave a new meaning to our life. Before that, I was just a daughter, a wife, and you made me a mother, which is amazing. And since the time you are born, our life is filled with so much of happiness and joy, and the amount of love which you give to us, which is so pure and unconditional. Me and Praveen, we were good, we were happy. But since the time you were born, our life has become so beautiful. The amount of love which you give us, it is so pure and it is so unconditional, which I just cannot explain in words. And we just always wanted a daughter, and then we got to know that yes, you are here, it's a girl, and we were like beyond happy. And you are the one who made our family complete. And since the time you're born, our entire world is just revolving around you. Even there are times when you're sleeping and we're just opening the tab and seeing, oh, she's sleeping, when she'll wake up. So like our entire life is just around you. And I just, they were like I said, that you're growing so fast. There are many times where I just could wish I could freeze it forever, and the year which has been just gone, this year 2020, maybe for many people it was a bad year, but for me it was one of the beautiful year so far. And this time I will cherish forever the year which is gone in my memories and in my heart. And I just want to, this is your birthday today, your first birthday. It is very special for us also. So I just want to wish you a very happy birthday, and I just want to wish that in future you become a good person, a good human being.
खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े.
Happy birthday, beta. You have turned a year old, and like your mother said, we are more than happy. We are the happiest ever. When you were about to come in our lives, we used to discuss about you, as a daughter is coming, and then you were here to make all our dreams come true.
लगता है अब है जाके हम फिक्री जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम. हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी. ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो. उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे.
आप बड़े हो जाओ, बहुत अच्छे इंसान बनो, और सबका ध्यान रखना, हमारा भी ध्यान रखना. And daughter is really special to her father, her family, and you will do good, you will be successful. I want you to take care of all around you, and become something who will be always missed and remembered. So live long and stay healthy, stay blessed.
कि हम हुई है कहीं बातें नहीं, जब है ऐसे बहके हम. हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए, बस एक पल में हम बदल गए. ओहो अब तो
रोशनी मिली, अब राह में है दिलकशी सी बरसी, हर खुशी मिली, अब जिंदगी पे है जिंदगी सी बरसी।
So I was in the operation theatre and suddenly the doctor asked me that what do you want, a baby girl or a boy? So I said that I want a girl, and suddenly she said yeah, it's a girl. And you know, she just cleaned her and she put her here, and I just looked at her and I was like, oh wow, I just cannot believe that I wanted a girl and she's just here, you know, right next to me, and I could resemble her, that she was looking very much like me. And you know, I could see that, oh my god, it was like beyond imagination. It was the first time, you know, like experiencing motherhood and having a baby right here next to you. So I was in operation theatre, but still I was very happy that this thing happened to me.
जो भी हो सो उड़े।
I just want to tell you one more thing, that you know, whenever you will watch this video, when you will understand things, because right now you do not understand all this, but I just want to tell you that me and your dadu, we are just not your parents. We want to be your friends, your guide, your mentor, and whatever you will do in your life, we'll just support you in that. So love you so much, bacha. Happy birthday once again. God bless you. Take care. This is the interval. बाकी है.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए। आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का।
हाय अनाशिया, आई एम योर नाना। जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको, और आगे ज़िंदगी में आप तरक्की करो, अच्छे बनो, जीवन अपना जो जीवन है उसको एक अच्छे तरीके से आगे बढ़ाओ। मेरी यही शुभकामनाएं हैं आपके लिए, और ज़िंदगी में आपको तमाम खुशियाँ मिले।
हो चार दीवारें, फिर भी झरोखे खुले, बादलों के हो पर्दे।
One day, like when the first time she take one twist or turn, she was like just lying down and suddenly she does something, and then you like, अरे कौन सिखाता है इसको? Like one day she's sitting in the bed and then she get down on her own, and then you feel like मतलब कैसे अपने आप कैसे कर लेती है, कौन इसको सिखा रहा है मतलब? And then you see her growing each and every day. She is doing something new and growing, and then you realize कि कल तो इतनी सी थी, आज सडनली इतनी बड़ी मतलब ऐसे ही एकदम बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी, and then time will fly एकदम पर।
के गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
अनायशा आई लव यू। अनायशा का आने का हमें बेसब्री से इंतज़ार था। जब अनायशा आई हमें बेहद खुशी हुई। प्रवीण और शिप्रा को बहुत बहुत मुबारक।
खोए तेरे नाम नखरे क्यों करे दिया मैनू जचदा नहीं कितना सवाल करे दिया नाम सुनदा नहीं होर दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिए तेनू होर दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिए तेनू बाकी करे शाइन तू करे ग्लो जीन्स डाली डाली तूने जो वो तेरे बूट पे टाइट बेबी जैसे मेरा फ्लो बेबी गॉड डैम तू है 100 बाकी एवरेज तू है सैवेज बेबी तू है रॉ मुझे तेरी बॉडी की हर वो चीज लगी सेक्सी जो बाकियों को लगती है फ्लॉ बेबी लेट्स गो right now देखो मुझे वेट नाइट निकल आओ लगती है लीन अति मीन टाइट पे है तो क्यों खाती भाव होर दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिए तेनू
Happy birthday Anaisha. We love you बच्चा. You bring happiness to our family. You will always happy. You are the blessing and gift to our family. We love you. God bless you Anaisha baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे Happy birthday. Happy birthday. आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटे नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे एक और साल पुरानी हो गई तेरी अलड़ जवानी
अनायशा आप अभी बहुत छोटे हो. जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो हम साथ में एंजॉय करेंगे, फन करेंगे, घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, ऐश करेंगे, मजे करेंगे.
नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे Happy birthday. Happy birthday. आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटे नाच
मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही वे. मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही वे. रात दिन सजदे तेरे लिए सजदे करूं दुआएं मांगू रे. मैं यहाँ अपने लिए रब से तेरी बलाएं मांगू रे.